Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check Apple Tag battery level. So if you have an Apple Tag and you want to check the battery level or whether the battery is low or not, then this is a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check Apple Tag battery, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Find My app on your iPhone. And then if you are on People or Me or Devices, just go ahead and select Items. Then you should see your Apple Tag. If you click on it, then you should see the information about the battery. In this case, I have some features aren't available because my battery is low. Now, what can you do? All you need to do is go ahead and then replace your Apple Tag battery. So you can follow the on-screen information to replace your Apple Tag battery, and then you are good. So basically, this is how you check your Apple Tag battery level. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.